Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back again another day with another unboxing. This time I have a mid-pressure wash. And let me explain why I have bought this and why I am, as usual, already disappointed. In my city where I live, we have a great do-it-yourself car wash called Laser Wash. I go there every day, more or less, to wash my car. But sometimes I like to spend many hours with my cars. And where I live in the garage, there is a great washing spot. With a vacuum cleaner, everything. I can stay there for like 6-7 hours sometimes. But what we don't have is a high pressure wash. And I have asked neighborhood, I don't know what it's called, if I myself can pay for a high pressure wash and install it. But no, I wasn't allowed to do that. So from time to time, I've been looking for a high pressure wash that I can carry with me. And because I know that a big one, even if it's on wheels, I don't have any place for it in my apartment. I'm not gonna carry it with me, yada, yada, yada. So the other day, this has actually been laying in my apartment for almost 2 weeks. I haven't even unboxed it. But the other day, I noticed that this was a brand new product from Gardena. Gardena makes garden, everything for a garden. Everything from hoses to pool vacuum cleaners, everything. And they have this mid-pressure wash that is made for washing your furniture, your garden furniture, your bike, and also your car. So I bought it without thinking too much, because the main reason why I want a high pressure wash is so I can use Sonax foamless. So I can spray foam of shampoo, wax, or whatever on the car, because it makes everything much easier, better, faster, everything. So yeah, that was my plan with buying a high pressure wash that I can carry with me, so I can use the foamless instead of driving 10 minutes to the car wash and do it there. So far so good. But now my friend was here earlier today and he explained to me that this will not be good enough, strong enough to use the foamless. So I'm gonna go to his place now and compare it with his, because he has a home professional high pressure wash. But let me just show what it looks like. So this small handle, you can buy this in 2 variations. One with battery and charger, this is that case, and one without the battery and charger in case you already have a Gardena, some other power tool from Gardena, which I don't. But if you choose that package, is this the battery? No, that's for the charger. This is the battery. Okay. So if you choose that package, it's like half the price. And yeah, this is it. So this is the high pressure wash. This is the only thing. Plus the battery then, of course. So I'm gonna go to my friend, try it out, and you see how useless it is. Because the sad thing is that if I can't use the foamless, I'm just happy with washing the car as I do now with a garden hose. I don't need a mid-pressure wash at all. But I'm curious. This is a brand new product. I'm curious about how good it is. And let me show you, because I ordered all the Sonax product that you can use with the foamless. Let me show you what we got there. So with the Sonax foamless, this is the brand new one, 2.0, that is improved in all the ways. Another design, I think the bottle is bigger and softer. Many people have complained that if you drop the bottle, it will break. But this is softer, so it should take some beating. And this thing. And if I understand correctly, I need to buy something in between those two. The mid-pressure wash and the bottle. Sonax foamless. But my friend has all of those things at home already. And then we have the Rich Foam Shampoo. This one smells fresh berry. This is really nice. Really nice. Smells great. And this one smells like a Red Bull, which is also really nice. And then we have, I already have a video of this one. No, sorry. Rich Foam. This one smells like Red Bull. Foam and Seal. I'm gonna link you to that video. This product is amazing. Crazy good. And then we have this one that is brand new for me, and that is the Pro line of Sonax. Profilin Multi-Star Concentrate. This one is both for interior and exterior, and it's supposed to be really good as well. But let's see how the high pressure, mid-pressure wash works, and how it works with the foam lens, if it works at all with the foam lens. Okay, so I've tried it really quick. You get 3 nozzles with it, 15%, 40%, and 0%. 0% is use a strill, but it's really weak. It's really weak. If I would take just the garden hose by itself and just bend it, I would get a higher pressure. So I'm pretty sure that it won't work with the foam at all, but since I'm here, of course we're gonna try. My buddy already had this mixed, so I'm gonna use his to try, but I'm so sure that it's not going to work. Totally useless. So this is what it does. Completely useless. Yeah, that sucks. So for using it for the foam lens, completely useless. Using it as a mid-pressure wash by itself, you get higher pressure out of the garden hose by itself. So sorry, but completely useless. So I would say that it's not even good enough for just washing off the car after you have cleaned it. More or less not. I am certain that it's weaker pressure in this than it is directly from the garden hose. So yeah, sorry. Gardena mid-pressure wash, for me, is completely useless, and I don't see what it would do any good for you. Thanks for watching. Ask me if you have any questions.